On Friday, you met four people G, O, L, and D standing in a line facing forward. They each wore a hat, black or white. There were exactly two black and two white hats in total. Each person saw the hats ahead, but not behind or their own. Then came the twist. They had only 60 seconds to think, and then only one person could speak. If they guessed it right, everyone wins. If they guessed wrong, game over. Let's break down what each person sees. D at the back sees L and O. L sees O sees nothing, and G sees nothing. D sees two hats in front of him, L and O. If both of them were wearing the hat of the same color, D knows that he is wearing the opposite color hat. That means if D sees two black hats, then he knows G and himself must have two white hats. So D can confidently say white. But if D sees one black and one white, he stays silent because he cannot know whether he is wearing the remaining black or white. Now it's L's turn to think. If D stayed silent, then L knows that D saw one black and one white in front of him. Now L sees O's hat. Let's say O is wearing a white hat. Then L reasons, if I am also wearing a white hat, D would have seen two whites and would have spoken. But he remained silent. So I must not have the same color hat as O. So L concludes, my hat must be black. L is now 100% certain and gives the answer. So, who should speak? D speaks first only if L and O wear the same color hat. If D stays silent, then L speaks based on what O is wearing. O and G will always stay silent. Only one person ever speaks, and only when they are absolutely sure. Did you figure it out? If so, brilliant deduction. If not, now you know what to look for next time. Subscribe for a new logic puzzle every Friday. Clean, smart solutions drop every Sunday. This is the weekly puzzle drop where your mind gets sharper every week. Like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Kaizen Smarter.